All right, Shaurya, moving ahead, how did you make a transition to risk data science?
So, like I said, right after school, I went into this consulting side where I was working on, strategy, analytics, the works. The only challenge is after, like, I did it for 4 years, and then what I realized is that being a consultant has limitations, right? Like you work project to project, and then you work for clients, right? I always wanted to sort of go to the other side and experience the world from that side, right? Like become the client. For some reasons, life took me to California, and then within California, I had this bubble in which all of my friends were, most of my friends were in tech. And at that point, coupled with the fact that I wanted to see the other side, I started to evaluate my options. Obviously, if you're in the valley, you want to work in big tech, right? So I wanted that experience. I wanted to understand how a company manages global operations, how a scaled tech stack looks like, right? What is strategy and what is product building in these big tech companies, right? Because all I heard was theoretical, right? I wanted to experience all of this for myself. That is when I decided to apply an interview for these companies. That's when I got someone helped me identify this role at Uber in risk. I had no risk experience, right? So obviously, I did a lot of research on risk and the payment space before applying. And when I looked at the payment space and I just looked at fintech in general, I really loved it, right? Just because of the usage of fintech all over. And coming from India, you understand how cash can be abused, right? So how fintech can really enable unlock opportunities for a lot of folks, and that really helped me. And Uber's mission in general, like it echoed with me a lot. So I would say that risk was a nice coincidence. I never really looked for risk. Like it was the second thing that happened to me. The first thing that led me to that was sort of this itch to get into a big tech, understand operations at scale, and all of those things that I mentioned. What I brought to Uber and why they hired me was not because of my risk experience, right? Because I had none. What they were looking for was a person who can, essentially look at problems and try to solve them, right? And that my consulting experience really helped in that, right? So like the things that I was mentioning, being at the intersection of analytics and strategy, that is what helped me get into Uber. And the folks trusted me enough to sort of learn the domain. Obviously, there's a sequel round, so you have to clear that. To anyone who's thinking that they need experience, I would just like to tell them that you can bring problem solving as a skill set and learn the domain as and when the time comes.